Hello to everyone. Myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamic College Autonomous, Manembadi. Guys, let's see very important topic from our subject Human Resource Management, that is Unit 2, HR Planning, which is also termed as Human Resource Planning. Meaning, human resource planning is the primary activity of human resource management. HR planning is a systematic and continuous process of identifying current and future human resource requirements of an organization. Yes, guys, HR planning is primary activity of HR management. Human resource employees planning is very important in an organization. Especially the department of HR has to do HR planning properly. It is a continuous process. It is a process of identifying current and future human resources requirements of an organization. Yes, guys, how many employees are working in our company? You need to focus on it. How many employees required for the company, you have to identify that also. If any surplus employees are there, you need to transfer surplus employees to another branch, or if you don't have any other branch, if you don't have openings in any other branch, then you can terminate the employees, surplus employees. So everything's who has to do? A HR manager. So the department of human resource needs to do HR planning properly, which is very important aspects. Definition. HR planning may be defined as the process of strategic movement of the organization from the current manpower position to the desired manpower position. Yes, guys, it is a process of strategic movement from current employees position to future employees positions. At present, how many employees are there? In future, how many employees we required? So the gap, the travel between present and future is called as HR planning. Objectives of HR planning. There are so many objectives. Important among them are discussed here. Point number one is to forecast future requirement of human resources. Yes, guys, I already told you, you have to forecast, you have to plan, you have to decide about future employees' requirements. Point number two, to ensure that the HR plan helps to attain the objective of the organization. Yes, guys, whatever you do, your human resources has to focus on achievement of organizational objectives. Point number three, to link human resource planning with organizational planning. Yes, guys, your employees aim or objectives and your organizational aim or objectives must match. There should not be any differences, there should not be any mismatches, because if employees and organizational goals are same, then it can be achieved very easily. Next, to estimate the surplus and shortage of human resource. Yes, guys, the same point described here. If any surplus employees are there, you need to focus on them also, whether we need to keep them or not. If shortage of employees are there, you need to think about recruitment, that is giving job opportunities to newcomers or other candidates, etc. Next point, to provide the right kind of people at the right time and right cost. Yes, guys, selecting the right person at the right time for the right job is very important factors for HR manager. Being a HR manager, you need to identify everything. What is the correct time to recruitment, who is the correct employee for the job, what salary can be fixed for that person, everything you have to focus. Next point, to estimate the impact of technology on jobs and human resources. Yes, guys, being a HR manager, your duty is to think about that, whether the employees are capable of handling new and modern machineries properly or not. If employees don't have capacity to handle the modern technology, then being a HR manager, your duty is to provide them training and development programs, how to utilize the modern technologies in the organization. Next point, to estimate the cost of human resource and housing needs of employees. Yes, guys, human resource investment, expenses, housing needs of employees, everything you need to estimate properly. Next point, to ensure that the amount invested in human resource is at its optimum level. Yes, guys, whatever the investment you made on human resources, it is not an expenses, it is only an investment. Definitely, employees will work for the company, they will bring lots of profit to the organization. That is what the main motive. Okay, whatever you invested on employees, it is not an expenses, but it is an investment. Next point, to determine the levels of recruitment and training. Yes, guys, being a HR manager, you need to determine the levels of recruitment, how to select the employees of the organization, and training program, what kind of training program will be suitable for the employees of the organization, whether on the job training is good or off the job training is good. You have to think properly, determine properly. Next point, to ensure maximum utilization of existing human resources in the organization. Yes, guys, existing employees, old employees, you have to utilize them properly. And next point, to improve the skills and knowledge and abilities of employees. Yes, guys, being HR manager, you should always focus on employees development, employees skills and knowledge improvement, etc. Then only the employees will be capable of doing advanced job by using advanced technologies and so on. Next point, to estimate employee turnover and take steps for minimizing it. Yes, guys, being a HR manager, your duty is to focus on employees turnover. Turnover here refers to employees shifting from our company to another company, or we can say employees leaving our organization. So how many employees left our organization, why they left, because of less satisfaction, because of less motivation, or whatever it may be, you have to determine properly. Next point, to cope with the changes in the environment. Yes, guys, if any environmental changes comes, environment means internal environment will be there, external environment will be there, that is surroundings. Okay, whatever the environmental changes takes place, your duty is to cope with the changes. Next point, to arrange for MDP, management development program. Yes, guys, employees development program, you have to focus on it. You need to arrange the program at the required time. Next point, to facilitate the development of productivity. Yes, guys, being a HR manager, you need to handle human resource of the organization, but also you need to focus on whether the employees are producing the product properly or not, because always focus on production improvement. Whenever production increases, definitely sales increases, automatically profit will maximize. And next point, to exercise effective control of workforce. Yes, guys, you need to have proper control over the employees. You need to handle the employees properly, then only they can work according to the rules and regulations of the organization. Yes, guys, thank you very much. Next thing we'll discuss in next class. Wish you all the best.